Love quotes. You know you're in love when you can't fall asleep because reality is finally better than your dreams. Dr. Seuss. Love is that condition in which the happiness of another person is essential to your own. Robert A. Heinlein. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other. Audrey Hepburn. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Elvis Presley. If you live to be 100, I want to live to be 100 minus 1 day, so I never have to live without you. A. Milne. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be. Goo Goo Dolls. You are the finest, loveliest, tenderest, and most beautiful person I have ever known, and even that is an understatement. F. Scott Fitzgerald. It's always better when we're together. Jack Johnson. When you realize you want to spend the rest of your life with somebody, you want the rest of your life to start as soon as possible. When Harry Met Sally. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting 2 bodies. Aristotle. Romance is thinking about your significant other when you are supposed to be thinking about something else. Nicholas Sparks. Take love, multiply it by infinity, and take it to the depths of forever, and you still have only a glimpse of how I feel for you. Meet Joe Black. Love is a force more formidable than any other.